So Michael walked into the pet store and became enamored of this parrot. Unfortunately, the parrot was very rude, and his use of obscenity was truly off-putting. But Michael decided that his own quiet and polite demeanor would change the bird. Well, after 6 months, it hadn't. The bird was still rude and obscene. So, against his nature, Michael tried a series of increasingly assertive punishments to no avail. That parrot would not change. Finally, with the advice of a friend, he put the parrot in his freezer and set the timer for 60 seconds. Well, as soon as he closed the door, that parrot began to be parrot, swearing and kicking and screaming. And Michael watched the timer, and 30 seconds into it, the parrot fell silent. Michael wisely waited the full 60 seconds. And when he opened the freezer door and the parrot stepped out, the parrot looked at Michael and bowed a little bit. He bowed, just nodded his head in deference. And he apologized to Michael. I'm afraid my rude behavior and my use of obscenity has displeased you. And I want to apologize and promise you that henceforth I will speak quietly and politely and behave well. Michael said, well, that's great. Just what I wanted. Thank you very much. All is forgiven, yes. So he carries the parrot on his hand and sets the parrot in the cage. And just before Michael shuts the door, the parrot says, I'm curious, however, what did that chicken do? Poor chicken.